Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 21, Computer Science, Unit number 5, Subprograms and File Handling. 10th class, in our previous lecture we had studied some of the introduction about subprogram, and then we had studied what kind of programs are there. There are two types of programs. One is user defined and one is built-in, which is also called intrinsic. Then from built-in function we had studied some of them. Today we are going to continue from the previous lecture. Fixed function. The purpose of this function is to obtain an integer value by simply dropping off the decimal part. Fixed function does not round the number. It works like an integer value. If you use fixed function, it will ignore the fractional part of the value and does not round off. Example: print fix into -7.09. Run. -7 is the answer. Next is tab function. Tab function is basically used to keep the space between two. Purpose: tab function to print at certain column position X on the screen. If the current print position is already beyond space X, tab goes to given position on the next line. Space 0 is the leftmost position. Leftmost means that the leftmost. The rightmost position is the screen width. X must be within the range of 1 to 255. Example format tab into X. Example: print double quotation Pakistan double quotation close tab 2 double quotation is my double quotation tab 4 double quotation country double quotation close. Run Pakistan is my country. You can see there is 2 spaces and here are 4 spaces. One tabs take 8 spaces. R&D function. Purpose: to return a random number between 0 and 1. Format: R&D brackets X. The same sequence of random number is generated each time the number is run unless the random number generated is reseated. If X is equal to 0, then the last number is repeated to get a random number within the range of 0 through n. Use the following formula: int into R&D, which is random, multiply by into n plus 1 bracket close. Example: 10 for I is equal to 1 to 5. 20 print int into R&D multiply by 101 and bracket close, comma 30 next I. 40 and run. 53 30 31 51 5. So this is the way you can use a random function for your purpose. Next is log function, logarithm. Purpose: to return a natural logarithm. Log in BASIC is a logarithm to the base e is equal to 2.78282. Format: log x. Example: print log 10, run 2.302585. Clear? Next is SPC function. Purpose: keeps x spaces in a print statement. SPC may only be used with print and L print statement. The argument n must be in the range 0 to 255. If x is greater than the defined width of the printer or the screen, the value used will be n mod width. Format: space x. Example: print double quotation over double quotation close space into 15 double quotation there double quotation close 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 over there. So what it will do, it will take the there is 15 spaces between the character over there. Next is beep function. Purpose to sound the speaker at 800 Hertz, 800 cycles per second for 1/4 of a second. Format beep. Example, beep, type beep at command level. Command level is like just to type beep and press enter key. It will be executed. Next is date $sign function. You can see date will be read as string. This statement is used to set or retrieve the current date. Format date $sign is equal to $V or $V $sign is equal to date $sign, where $V $sign is a valid string, literal or variable. $V $sign can be any of the following formula when assigning the date, month, day, year, month, day, year, month, day, year, month, day, year. Can be used with dash or can be used with slash. Figure 5.1 shows the use of date $sign statement. Okay, print date $sign 11/14/2005. Okay, date $sign is equal to double quotation 12-03/2005. Print date 12/3/2005. Okay, now with this our numeric functions are completed. Next we are going to study about string function, but not today. In next lecture we are going to study about this. Students, do practice these formulas and install the GW Basic on your computers. If you do not have access to GW Basic, let me know. I will guide you how you can do or how from where you can download it. If you have any question or query regarding today's lecture or previous lectures, let me know. I will guide you. Leave a question in the group. I will guide you in WhatsApp group. I will catch you in next lecture. Till that lecture, take care yourself. Do practice your formulas. Allah Hafiz.